This is a boat that was winterized by a different shop here in Middle Tennessee, and when they winterized it, they left that piece of white tape over the oil field for what reason we don't know right now. Customer took it to the lake, and then it lost power, and he had some oil with him, so he had 3 quarts of, or actually he put in 3.5 quarts of oil, and now the dipstick shows about 1 quart over full. So he lost power, put some oil in it, and then it showed up here, and this is what it sounds like.